Right, there's 2 screws. One here. One here. Don't touch that one. That's for the headlight tilt. The screws are likely factory tight, so you can use a lot of force to get it out. I need 2 hands. If it helps, you can use a rag to get better grip, which is what I'm going to do. Once both screws are out, the entire light assembly should just come out. If it's stuck, there is a control pin right about here. You need to just pull it out using a lot of force. In this case, it's pretty loose, but sometimes it takes a lot of force to get this out. Just know there's a control pin in the middle and you're pulling it directly out. Once the light is out, there's 2 cables holding it in, assuming you have, or there should be 2 cables. They're not that hard to remove. First one, put this pin down, squeeze, and the whole thing will just come out. Well, I'd love for it to come out, but this is reality and nothing ever works like you want it to. Oh my, okay, there we go. It's out. Now for the hard one. Same thing with the other pin. We're gonna hold this guy down like that, and then this will come out. It's gonna be a pain in the ass, I can already tell. If you wrap a towel over it, it really does help quite a bit. I pretty much got this most of the way already. Yeah, you just pull it out. Look at that. Yeah. It's just this pin. You have to hold it down. Alright, so now that we have the assembly here, just turn this counterclockwise. It comes right out. Next we're going to use this metal thing to release it. Push it, and it'll come right out. This will help us pull the bulb out. So, essentially just pry this metal up. Okay. These little plastic guys, we're going to gently move them back. Gently. Mine's already cracked, but hopefully yours isn't. We're going to just peel them back, move them down. 30-year-old plastic, am I right, guys? Alright, so now, to remove this, we're just going to pull the bulb out of these clamps. There's no real trick to it. You're not supposed to touch the bulb, but since this bulb is dead, it doesn't matter. Just pull this out. So we don't want the oils from our hands to get on the bulb. That's what the glove is for. Make sure not to touch it with your hands. I don't think it matters which terminal is there. I guess we'll find out later, if it works. Take this clip, put it back around. The word lock should be here. Once that's done, we're just going to put everything back together. Okay, remember to connect the control rod to the hole. Alright, now just screw it in.